Okay, guys, this video is for how to detect the motor and the recalibration the IMU, because some users they may initialize the configures because of the incorrect operation when they connect to the VESC tool, and all the configures we initialize. So that result in that the board may run incorrectly. In these conditions, let's just detect the motor and recalibration the IMU. First, you need to turn on the board and open the VESC tool, connect to the board by the Bluetooth, then come to the float safety, disable the float package first, and then change the configures of the module Tiltbacks. Because this model is X5, the X5 and X3, the battery is 60 volt and 7 inch, so the high voltage threshold we set up here is 67.2, and low voltage threshold is 51. If your model is X1 or X1 plus, the battery is 48 volt. So here if X1 or X1 plus, the high voltage threshold is 54.6, and here the low voltage threshold we may set up and 41, 25, like that. Oh, sorry. And then the ADC1 and the ADC2 is 2 volt. After that, you need to hit the one to save the configures you just updated. But this model, the yellow one is X5, so we have to come back the and then hit the Y to save the configures. After that, come to the start and set up the motor. Hit no EOC. Next, large auto runner over here, and change some figures to 2000, because our motor polos is setting for all models X1, X1 plus, X3, X5, all is 30 polos. Then hit next. Yes. Here is the battery cell series. If the model is X3 and X5, The battery cell series is 60. Right? If your model is X1 or X1 plus, because it's 48 volt and it's it's 30. So this one is X5, and the battery capacity for X3 or X5 is 7, and for X1 it's 5.2. Yeah, remember, if X1 here is 5.2 X1, if X1 plus is 10. It's 10 enough. So this is X5, so we change back to 7. Yeah, hit the next. Okay, and the wheel diamond is 283.5, and hit here. Direct drive, yes. Run detection, cancel the detect all models or canvas. Yes, you need to cancel it, and then hit OK. Now the model is detection. Model is running. Forward, then backward. Finish, and yeah, the result is success. Then hit the OK. You can test it by the FWD or REV. 这反光了。对。Yeah, you need to invert the direction. Yeah, that is correct, because the sensor is in this side. This is for front. Then finish. Then come to the motor cfg. You need to set up some other configures. Voltage here. The battery voltage cutoff start. If the model is X3 or X5, the battery voltage cutoff start, and so you can set up and put it or something like that. And the battery voltage cutoff and 45 will be that good. Of course, if your model is X1 or X1 plus, the two configure the difference. If X1 or X plus, the battery voltage cutoff start and you check in 79 or cutoff end and 76. But don't forget to hit the white to save your configures, which updated. no, this is X5, we have change back 48, 45, to the right, hit the right, good. Then come to the current. Here we need to change the motor current max for X5. We can do 120, 120, and 150. And if your model is X3, here the config may different. Hit 100, 100, and 120, like that. Yeah, that is for X3. If model is X1 or X1 plus, because it's 700 watt. You know, the X3 is 1000 watt, and the X5 is 1500 watts. So if X1 and X1 plus, here we set about 80, and 100. This is for the model S1 or S1 plus. But this model, this one is S5, is 1500 watts. So we come back. 120, 120, okay, and 150. Then hit the white to save the configs, and change to FOC. And this config is about half of the result. Here we need to set about 0.65, and hit the one to save the configs. Here the zero vector request, we propose 25, and here choose the first line, original, zero, hit right, looks good. Then the next step, we need to start to do the IMU. First, we need to set up the fix here. Okay. 832 and medium. Okay, 1, 2, and my home. Sorry, 0.02 to the right, and the my home KPI we suggest it to Z3 config is 0, 0, and 90. That's all right. After that, you need to hit the Y to save the configs. Okay. Then start and set up IMU. Yeah. Okay, the result is out. If you can't find the result, you need to search for IMU and try to get the outcome fixed here and the other configs. And the next step is save, and then come to the set line to the IMU. The IMU is mainly for the recalibration of the level X, Y, and Z. So first we try to recalibrate the X value. Here we have two values, the X and the max X. Normally the max X is close to 1. It's just around 1, maybe a little less or a little more, but you can't be minus and can't be too big than 1, like can't be more than 2 or something like that. So the configures, the X value should be close to 1, and then the X, the value of X need to close to max X. Maybe they should same, not exactly same, but if same is better. So now the value of X and the max X value is the same. We hit the save, finish the X, then is the Y level, and the max Y value should be equal to 1, and the Y should be close to max Y. When the two values is the same, you hit the save to the next, and the next is Z. Max Z is also 1, close to 1, and the Z value of the Z should be close to max Z. 1 Z close, or even the same. Okay, don't move. So it's okay, alright, and we hit the save to finish the Z, and now we finished the IMU recalibration and cancel. Let's try. Sorry. Enable the photo package. The gray means enable, the blue means disable. So now we need to enable the float package and hit the Y. Okay. Yeah, it works. It's good. Works fine. Okay. Then we finish and complete it. Well, thanks you guys. If you have any questions, you can contact me. But yeah, you know, you can find me. My name is Andy.